Hello. Hello, I'm Sarah Chevaillier, and I'm French and American. I have a bachelor's degree from the University of California at Berkeley in comparative literature. I have a master's in teaching and curriculum from Michigan State University, and I hold an MBA from the International School of Management in Paris. I'm an educator and an interculturalist. I taught for over 30 years at schools in the USA, Germany, France, China, and India, and I was a principal and director of schools in India and in Guinea, Africa. I no longer teach in schools, but I do now lead workshops on learning for businesses, nonprofits, and schools. I focus especially on issues of culture and learning. Human activity, all of it, is deeply embedded in culture, and yet we're not consciously aware of it. In fact, culture is everything we don't think about, and yet it profoundly affects our decisions, our desires, and our instincts. So I help organizations examine their own culture in order to enhance learning so that all the stakeholders, the employees, management, faculty, students, staff, everyone, contributes to the enterprise and learns. I do this in person or virtually with Zoom or other platforms. I can help promote learning at your organization. For example, I've helped businesses ensure the investment in people pays off by helping create an environment where everyone feels as though they have a seat at the table and their contributions matter. This reduces employee turnover and is a good return on investment. I've helped companies formulate diversity, equity, and inclusion policies and put them into practice, which gives them an edge in competing for employees and customers in a global market. In schools, I've helped teachers establish a learning environment where all the students, not just the diligent ones, contribute positively. I helped a school grow that thought it couldn't add any more courses into its curriculum without hiring teachers or building new classrooms. And I did this by revising its timetable and scheduling classrooms more efficiently. You can find me here at Cygnus Minds. I'm a Cygnus Minds mentor, and if you drop me a line, I will answer. Cygnus Minds impresses me in the ways that this organization is dynamic. It's an example itself of learning, of growth, of adaptation. Cygnus Minds is made up of lifelong learners, no matter their area of expertise, and that is why I was honored to be asked to mentor with them.